restoration, it's a bit tight. The brake, yes, it is a bit stiff. It looks like the cable needs to be changed. And the shock, it is okay, but there is an oil seal leak which needs to be fixed. A few parts are rusted which need some restoration. And as this is a folding bicycle, I will have to put some degreaser or WD-40 inside the chassis to prevent it from further rusting. Apart from that, the gear is fine. It probably need a little bit of adjustment, and the brake pads are gone, which need replacement. Tires are okay. The tube is fine. That's all. So let me get into restoration task. These are the few things which I would be using to clean up the bicycle and do a little bit of restoration. I did not find any mechanical issue related to the gears or even shock. So I hope this thing will work out and give it a good look. This is a car wash shampoo, and I will use WD-40 to restore the mechanical parts, and even for chain cleaning as well. And this I am going to use this particular chain loop. I use it for my bike as well, for the chain as well as other moving parts for the lubrication purpose. And this brush will be used for cleaning the chain, and certain parts of the chassis where it is a bit rusted, I'm gonna soak it with WD-40 for quite some time, and we'll do the cleanup. I'm done with the washing part. So this is how it looks like after washing. All the dirt and dust has been gone, and it's kind of shining now. You can see the bright red color. So once it is dry, I'll get into the greasing part. So let it dry properly. I'm done with all the possible restoration, and this is how the bicycle looks like. It's neat, clean, and all the parts are lubricated.